Hi, good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, in last period we have talked about lot of things about the first topic and first poem. Now today we are going to talk about the some exciting and something very wonderful things and amazing things. Okay, so are you ready? So, dear students, we are going to talk about such things which are not known to us and which are very mysterious. Mysterious means the things which are very unknown to us, which is not known to anybody. Okay, so today we are going to talk about such a topic and such a place where each and everything was very mysterious, unknown, and wondering and surprising. Okay, so let's open your page number 17 of your English textbook and unit number 2. We are going to talk about unit number 2, the mysterious Zeta weight. Okay, so dear students, now I am going to read and explain each and every line. Please watch and listen carefully. Okay, so the mysterious Zeta weight. Zachary Zwicker sat in his backyard looking at his homework. The name of the character in this story is Zachary Zwicker. He was sitting in his backyard looking at his homework. Backyard means the place of the back place of the house. Okay. It was a long list of words he was supposed to put into alphabetical order. And what was in his homework? In his homework, he had a long list of words he was supposed to put into alphabetical order. And dear students, you know what is alphabetical order? I know you know very well what is alphabetical order. The A, B, C, D, the dictionary order is called an alphabetical order. Okay. Now, how was Zachary Zwicker feeling while doing the homework? Okay. The alphabet bores me, said Jack. जैक ने कहा कि दी अल्फ़ाबेट बोर्स मी, मुझे बोर लगते हैं, मुझे बोरिंग करते हैं, मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है. ही डिडंट लाइक ऑर्डिनरी होमवर्क. Zachary Zwicker, he didn't like ordinary homework. उसे कोई सादा सुदा होमवर्क नहीं चाहिए था जो सभी लोग कर सके. He liked to read books full of strange facts or fun. Okay. उसे he liked to read books full of strange facts. अलग अलग strange facts जो हमेशा अद्भुत होते थे, ऐसे फैक्ट्स की चीज़ें उसे अच्छी लगती थी. वो पढ़ना उसे अच्छा लगता था किताबों में. एंड फ्रोल थ्रू अ डिक्शनरी लुकिंग फॉर अनयूजुअल वर्ड्स, स्पेशली वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग विथ झेड. हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्रोल इज go through, means he like to search in the dictionary such words which are very unusual, which are not common, स्पेशली वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग विथ जेड. और वो भी उससे ऐसे वर्ड्स ढूंढने में मज़ा आता था और उसे पसंद था जो कि जिनकी शुरुआत जेड से होती थी. ओके, सो कैन यू गिव मी सम नेम्स ऑफ द वर्ड्स स्टार्टिंग विथ जेड? यस, जेड फॉर zebra. Okay, Zachary, Zwicker, all names are starting with the Z. Great. Now, while doing his homework, what Zachary was doing? Jack leaned back against a tree, closed his eyes and thought about his name and initials. Z. What wonderful initials to have. Jack leaned back against a tree. वो पेड़ के नीचे, आप बुंदे में लीन मीन्स बेन अगेंस्ट अ ट्री, क्लोज हिज आइज, नीचे बैठ गया, क्लोज हिज आइज एंड थॉट अबाउट हिज नेम, अपने नाम के बारे में वो सोचने लगा, एंड इनिशियल्स, किस प्रकार से वो सोचने लगा कि झैकरी, झेड फॉर झैकरी एंड झेड फॉर झ्विकर, ओके, सो झैकरी झ्विकर, झेड झेड, एंड ही थॉट सडनली व्हाट वंडरफुल इनिशियल्स टू हैव, he exclaimed, he was surprised, he was excited, झेड झेड झा, okay, so in this way Jack found himself drifting into space, and suddenly where he was we exactly don't know, but now he was feeling, Jack found himself drifting into space. Now he felt that he was moving into the space. He seemed to be rocking jerkily and then realized that he was being carried in a cage by 4 hooded figures, and he was totally unaware. He seemed to be rocking jerkily, ओके, झटके मार मार के वो घूम रहा था, एंड देन रियलाइज दैट ही वॉज बींग कैरिड इन अ केज, और तब उसको रियलाइज हुआ कि वो एक पिंजरे में, केज मीन्स पिंजरा, ओके, केज बाय 4 हुडेड फिगर्स. 4 हुडेड फिगर्स मीन्स अ पर्सन और एनी फिगर, एनी एनिमल और क्रिएचर wearing a hood. Hood means you know that monkey topi, monkey cap, like that, okay. So the road twisted back and forth and he was jolted from side to side against the bars. The road twisted back and forth. वो जो रोड था, जिस रोड से वो केज ले जा रहे थे, वो पूरी तरह से आड़ा टेढ़ा रास्ता था, झिकझक रास्ता था. He was jolted from side to side against the bars. और उसका जो केस था वो सीधा नहीं जा रहा था, पलट पलट के जा रहा था, एंड दैट्स वाई वो कभी इस साइड के बार पे टकराता था तो कभी उस साइड के बार पे टकराता था. एंड ही वॉज मूविंग. ही सडनली सॉ अ टॉल मैन इन अ गॉडी यूनिफॉर्म गैलोपिंग अप ऑन एन ऑड लुकिंग एनिमल. And then what happened? He suddenly observed, saw a tall man in a gaudy uniform. Gaudy uniform means very wearing colorful uniform, which is not common, unusual uniform, जिसे हम कह सकते हैं कि भड़काऊ कपड़ों में. Galloping up, okay, he was moving up and down, okay, up on an odd looking animal, और एक अलग ही विचित्र दिखने वाले एनिमल पर वो था. He glared down at Jack. He glared down, गुस्से से वो नीचे देखने लगा, at Jack and twisted his large mustache, और वो अपने बड़ी मूंछ को घुमाने लगा, हाथ फेरने लगा. Jones, you must be the boy our secret police rescued from that terrible place whose name begins with an A. Jones, you must be the boy our secret police rescued. Rescued means बचाए. From the terrible place whose name begins with an A. तुम वही वो बॉय होंगे जिसे हमारी सीक्रेट पुलिस ने बचाया है उस खतरनाक जगह से, जिस जगह का नाम ए से शुरुआत होती है. Jack supposed he meant America but was too frightened to ask. जैक को लगा कि वो अमेरिका की बात कर रहा है, लेकिन वो इतना डरा हुआ था कि वो पूछ न सका. Then what happened next? I am Jijman the Seventh. What is your name? The four-hooded man said, I am Jijman the Seventh. What is your name? Zachary Jicker was very much afraid. He could not speak, and he said, Zachary Jicker, stammered Jack. Stammered means here the spoke with the pauses and repeated the first letters of words. डर के मारे उसके मुंह से आवाज़ नहीं निकल रहा था, और वो Zachary Jicker इस तरह से लटक लटक के बोल रहा था. Zachary Jicker, 4 J's, said Jijman, misunderstanding Jack's pronunciation. और जिजमन द सेवंथ को झैकरी झिकर जब बोला तो वो वर्ड्स समझ में नहीं आए, एंड ही रिपीटेड झैकरी झिकर 4 Z's. डू यू हैव 4 Z's in your name? Said Jijman, misunderstanding Jack's pronunciation. He could not understand the proper pronunciation of the Zachary Jicker. With a name like that, you should go far here. put him down, step out. With a name like that you should go far here. ऐसे नाम के साथ में तुम यहाँ पर बहुत आगे जा सकते हो. इसको अंदर डालो, put him down and step out. इस तरह से उसने ऑर्डर दिया. And then what happened? The road twisted so much that I became dizzy, said Jack as he staggered out. और इस प्रकार से उसने देखा, द रोड ट्विस्टेड सो मच दैट आई बिकेम डिजी. इस प्रकार से रोड आड़ा टेढ़ा और उसकी केज जा रही थी कि जिसके कारण इसे चक्कर आने लगे. डिजीनेस मीन्स व्हर्लिंग, अनबैलेंस. ही वॉज फीलिंग डिजी, स्लीपिंग. एंड सेड जैक एज ही स्टैगर्ड आउट. Then the man said, all our roads are zigzag roads. All our roads are zigzag roads. Welcome to Zig's land, the land of the cheetah bait. So the man announced that welcome to Zig's land, the land of the cheetah bait. So now Jack the Checker was in the land of the cheetah bait. Now what happens in the next with the Jack the Checker and what type of place this the land of the cheetah bait was, we will see in the next period. But dear students, for the difficult words, please go through the answer sheet also. I will have you one worksheet and answer sheet of the difficult words meaning. So please go through that for the difficult words meanings. Have a good day.